It's gonna get you in trouble. Remix. It's gonna get you in trouble.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy AJ Diggs, man, and you are now rocking the DJ Criminal.
Hating, I don't condone it. I don't wanna keep your girl, I just borrowed her for a moment. Bitch, tell your man I'll blame him with the damn hammer. Fly soldier boy, Gucci bandana, Santana. I'm not attached to that. Nope. You can have her back, but after this, she probably don't wanna go back to that. Flashy, I'm ballin' like an athlete. Belly's Phantom's Corvette, that just gets some more wet. All white fleeter cars looking so classy. Coming through looking like I just got married. Black, white, all races, I just like them nasty. She Indian, okay, well I fuck her like in a past.
It's gonna get you in trouble.
Get the best of me. Waking up in the morning, 2 hoes laying next to me. Plus I heard an officer arrested me. Good weed and cold drinks, that's the motherfucking recipe. Nigga, and we roll deep, so deep. It's going down in this bitch. Concrete, we gon' party all night. No sleep, tell the owner them is all my guys. So tonight everything is on me. The drinks is on me. The bitch is the hotel, the weed is all free. Get high, me so high we don't see the whole suite. Then fly to a level where you gon' need your own key.
Get you in trouble. It's gonna get you in trouble.